Today's recipe is a very easy stir-fry mushrooms. For the ingredients, we will be needing the following: fresh white organic mushrooms. For the bigger ones, you can cut the stalks as they are quite chewy, while the smaller ones have tender stalks. Then 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1 medium white onion diced, 1 tablespoon of butter, drizzling of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, water as needed, $30 grams of oyster sauce. I've been buying this lately, the sachet, because it's much more practical and you don't have to keep the bottle. Black pepper to taste, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now we heat our pan and drizzle our cooking oil. And to this, we will add our butter. When the butter is melted, we add our onions. When the onion is translucent, we add our garlic. Then we add our mushrooms so as to absorb the buttery flavor. When the butter has been fully absorbed, we can now add the rest of the ingredients. Sugar, black pepper, and I added a teaspoon. As you can see, water came out of the mushrooms. It's your option to add water for more sauce. When simmering, we add our oyster sauce. So at this stage, I opted not to add water anymore. Then off heat, we layer our flavors by drizzling our sesame oil. I added cilantro as garnish. And this is my stir-fry mushrooms. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.